Oh my God! Ah! Paldo! Woo!
Okay, now we are here at gold spot, 15 minutes chart. And now we are going to trade to the indicator called Gains Algo V2 Alpha. Okay, let's try this indicator called Gains Algo V2 Alpha. Okay, here it is. And now we are going to wait to Gains Algo V2 Alpha to give us any signals. Okay, let's wait. Okay, Gains Algo V2 Alpha told us to sell, and let's put at least $20 here. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's place the position first. And now let's wait to the result.